I have to try because everybody it is swing and the whole body of it. Welcome to the last part of our trip video. This is the last part and it's supposed to be the highlight of the trip. So if you are ready to come with us, let's move on together. Now we are here. You can see the village down there. This is the White Cairn village. And it's supposed to be a river down there too. Okay, let's have a break here for a while. Okay, take a water break. The water. So we will just go down to the village and find out if there is any way that we can get back to the city. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we are here. It's the village of the Lahu, and the other side of the river is the White Cairn. So I don't think we need this anymore because there are plenty of water in the village. We can get some drinking water. And now we're running out of the water anyway. So we will just say goodbye to our natural water container. And we will just leave them here. So probably somebody might need them and they might use them afterwards. Bye. Okay, now let's go. Let's go into the civilization, to the city, or to the village. So we can get whatever we want. So this is a suspension bridge. This suspension bridge was built by a Japanese guy who built for the local people to cross over from this side that is very undeveloped to the other side where they get a better road that they can reach the city easier. So this suspension bridge is built back in 1997. And see the bridge is a suspension bridge, so it's very exciting when you walk. It's swinging, and see only the local people, like on the scooter, they can cross the bridge over to the other side. Okay, so now let's walk onto the bridge together. So nice and cool up here. Look, you can get a very wonderful view of the river from this spot. So you can imagine if you are just traveling in the river all the way down. The scenery between the river on the both sides must be very great. And look at the boat down there. Oh, that was just look like a raft. This look like a kind of transportation that the local people always use. There's no motor. People just paddle. See? Something that we used to take our tourists on this. And there are two drivers, one on the back and one on the front. And both of these drivers, they must be very skillful and they know the river well. So they just let the raft, which is made of bamboo and then probably some other material, they will just let it flow down the stream, the river, and trying to paddle, not let the raft hitting on a rock or to go onto the shore. So this is the kind of transportation that in the old days the people use it for the motorboat. I think we should take one of these down the stream to somewhere closer to the city where we can enjoy our trip on the river. Should we do that? Okay, she said okay. Okay, so we're going to go to find out who owns this boat, this raft, and then we will negotiate the price, and then we will rent this, and we'll go downstream. All right? Okay, here we go. Let's go. Now we are in the White Karen village. This is one of the tribes originally from Burma and from the mountains, foothills of Himalaya mountains. So this is a tribe that they always love to live by the riverbank. So this is the Mekong River, that started from Burma, the river. And these people, they are very skillful and they are very expert with the river. So they always build boat and raft, and they're always going up and down the river. So they're really expert of the river, and we want to ask the owner of the raft that we just saw and see how would they say if we want to rent their raft and travel down the stream to somewhere that is closer to Chiang Rai, our home. Okay, let's go and find out. Okay, now we are just at the house of the owner of the raft. This is the house style of the current people. See, they build their house up on the second floor. It's a two-story house. And we're going to go up to talk to the owner of the raft, of their house. Đập rư. Ủa đấy không? Cái cà chàm không? Cà chàm không? Come have a look. Wow, this is the delicacy dishes up here. What to eat here? This is the cicada. You can still hear their sounds up on the tree. Yeah, you can hear that's like music. The music from the nature.
อันนี้ต้มสุรา
All the way we walk through the forest, you will hear these sounds. Very noisy. But the villagers, they can make them their food, delicacy food. See, they make chili sauce from this. Yeah, they pound it up and then mix up with the chilies and other ingredients.
แต่เจ้าซื้อของเขา5 กิโลอ่ะ
So every day, somebody will go around to catch them from the tree in the jungle.
ครับเขาไปต้มเมื่อคืนเนี่ยครับเนี่ย ที่พอการล้างมาเอาปีนมา
Okay, I'm going to show you how to eat it. I'm not sure I'm brave enough to eat it or not. Woo, I don't want to eat its wings, but I have to try because everybody eats its wing and the whole body of it. Oh, the head first. The body. It tastes so funny. I want to show. I'll give one for down.
อันนั้นเสือมันมาถึงมันแล้ว
อันนี้เรากินแต่ไม่
Okay, now this one for down. Hey.
เอามาเถอะวะ
ใช่
No? Okay. I don't know where she wants to start first, the head or the bottom. Can try it? Okay. Normally she's the most brave person one, but not this trip.
กินเลย
Well, it tastes like shrimp.
กินนั้น
It
เป็นอย่าง
tastes like crickets, but there is not much to eat, not much meat. You probably feel that there are a lot of fiber inside, a lot of
อัน
chewing.
นี้อร่อย
มันประกอบเลยแล้วก็พวกของ
So this is the very traditional way of the villagers to welcome their guests when they have some guests coming to visit them. You see their cup for drinking water is made of bamboo. Everything is made from the nature. Normally they also contain this hot tea or coffee in here. So nice, cool. Just talked to the owner of the raft and we made agreements and arrangement for a rafting trip. So we're going to float in the river with a very wonderful atmosphere, lunch cooking and eating and maybe some activities like fishing, and then we will enjoy the scenery along the way of the riverbank. So I think now we are ready to move to go into the raft, okay? So let's go. Okay, after we make agreements with the boat driver, and we are ready to get on board and take a river trip downstream. And this is going to be a great trip. We love the river trip a lot. So we will just get into the raft and we will start to cook our lunch. I mean, we will actually enjoy a lot. So let's go. Okay, now we are here. This is a wonderful place. It looks so relaxing. Okay, now we are already on the raft. And see, we already set up our kitchen and all of the things that we got from the jungle. Along the way, when we were walking through the jungle on the trail, see, we got some of these banana flowers. And we're going to grill this on the fire. This is a fireplace that provided and including on this raft. So we just come and just cook. And you will see here we also have, this is what we caught along the way too, in a little stream from the under the rock. So it's going to be a great meal, lunch, and we will definitely enjoy it. Yeah. What else? Yeah. How are you feeling?
Ở thùng chè cá đó, ở thùng chè cá kia. Cái chiều nó chứ, bây giờ trong tí bếp sổ lò chứ. Bây giờ trong tí bếp sổ lò đâu, tại vì bếp mất chi, bếp cái chỗ tôi chứ bếp mất chi mà. Nó bếp cho cá chớ, người ta bếp một chỗ lò, bếp chi, hai chỉ đất tổ mất chi không chứ hay nó. Chứ bếp chỉ này chỉ ở, thì giờ bếp nó thao.
Okay, now we have the two drivers with us already. And now we start moving, heading down to our destination. You can see that it's very silent. Not much sounds of traffic around. You just hear the water from the driver paddling the raft. This is the way to drive. They are very expert. They know well where they can go in the river. There could be some rapids in the river, but never hit the rapids because they are very, very good. Yeah. See, I'm going to try sometime. I never tried drive this raft. Both of them have very big muscle. They can be like boxers. Because they got big muscle, and this is the reason they can paddle the whole raft. See, this is something unique. We don't have in any other river in Thailand, just in this Mekong River. And this is the back driver. So he also has another propeller that he have to work along together with the driver at the front. See how big muscle he has. I can't do it, you see? Mine compare with him. I will try it later. We will have a very simple meal. It's not a big lunch, but it's just a delicacy. You see all of the crab that we caught from the river this morning, and the two little snakehead fish, and they have some other banana flour with the chili sauce. Yeah. And we still have some more banana flour that we still cooking inside for the driver too. So for us, this meal, I think we don't need too big because we were going to have a big dinner this evening. So should we have our lunch? We are ready. Okay, pretty hungry. Start. We got a spoon from the driver. Okay, we borrow from it. Okay.
ốm như này à. Phải ốm này gì đó.
Đây mình đây.
This is the tour guide trying to drive the raft. This is my first experience driving the raft. I don't think it's easy. When the water is not very strong, it looks like okay.
Nước không?
I know how to drive, at least. I won't crash on the rock. Look, lots of rocks blocking our way.
Phải đó lỡ.
I don't know where is our way. I just see all the rocks just blocking our way there. Yeah, I see a little path that we can go maybe on the right side. Yeah, maybe that is the way. Then I need to drive the raft toward that way.
Merci.
Okay, so I will leave the raft with the driver again. I think so fun. Today I have an experience driving the raft today. So I was a captain for a few minutes. And it's really fun and good experience. Lên nữa là Alright, so this is the end of our river trip. We hope you enjoy it because for ourselves we enjoy this a lot. And we hope if you like this trip and like our video, please join us and follow other videos that is coming up. So thank you so much for watching our trip and joining us. We thank you and hope we can see you in person in the future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.